Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, if it's your first time watching, then welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a private maths tutor actually. Yeah, and I make like maths videos for Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3 and GCSE. Okay, right guys, before I start actually, obviously, please make sure that you do subscribe and like to my videos at the top right. And also, I've left the answers to my previous videos, so to yesterday's video, the rationalizing denominator, it might be hard to see that actually, but the answer you should get when you rationalize 2 over root 2 is root 2. So can I just mention like a point about that, guys? Rationalize does not mean actually like work out my answer. It just means like that I'm trying to get rid of like the denominator on the bottom of my fraction. Okay, so to get rid of root 2 here on the denominator, I multiply top and bottom by root 2 because of that rule that we looked at in the very first lesson, that root a times root a is equal to a. Okay, if you look at the bottom right screen, actually rule 1, it says that. Okay, so that's that actually. And in the previous video before that, it was simplify root 12, so the little gap was going to be root 4. So if you simplify root 12, it's going to be root 4 times root 3, which is going to be 2 times root 3, which is going to be 2 root 3. Okay, right guys, so we're going to start like today's video, which is expanding brackets with surds. So we're going to look at how to actually expand a bracket with surds. Okay, so expanding like single and double brackets, so it's aimed at GCSE and also like AS maths as well. Okay, right, expand root 3 brackets 2 plus root 5. So when we expand brackets, guys, it's exactly what we do here, it's the same in algebra. So when I first did expanding brackets I think it was back in November this year when I first started making videos. So everything on the inside is multiplied by the term on the outside. So it's root 3 times 2, which is going to be 2 root 3, and then root 3 times 5, which is going to be root 15. Okay, so looking at the help here to help you, so where it says 2 brackets that, okay, that's how I can look at that for my answer. Okay, example 2, expand root 7 brackets root 10 minus 4. Root 7 times 10, root 10 will give me root 70. Root 7 times negative 4 will give me minus 4 root 7. And then finally, like last 2 examples, expand, so it's a double bracket actually, so it's a double bracket, so 5 times 9 is going to be 45. 5 times root 6 should be 5 root 6, not 6 root 5, sorry about that, so it should be 5 root 6. 9 times root 2 is going to be 9 root 2, and then root 2 times root 6 is root 12. Okay, which actually can be simplified actually, that's just a mistake actually, which actually can be simplified. So my answer would be 45 plus 5 root 6 plus 2 root 2, plus 11 root 2, because root 12 can be simplified to, no, sorry, I apologize actually, that can't be simplified because root 12 doesn't have a square factor in root 2, sorry, I apologize, it's root 3 I'm thinking about. So ignore me. So that actually can't be simplified any further actually, that will actually be your final answer. Okay, sometimes it will simplify like with surds, sometimes it will not, so it's just being careful, yeah, and make sure that you collect the like terms for like bases. Okay, and then finally guys, expand, so it's a special case actually, yeah, so expand 8 plus root 10 times 8 minus root 10. So this is what I call like a difference of 2 squares. 8 times 8 is going to be 64. 8 times minus root 10 is going to be minus 8 root 10. 8 times root 10 plus the root 10 will be plus 8 root 10. And then plus positive 10 times minus root 10 will give me minus root 100, which will give me minus 10. So my final answer would be 64 minus 10, which give me 54, because minus 8 root 10 plus 8 root 10 will just actually cancel each other out. Okay, so this special case actually, yeah, is what I'm going to look at in the next video when I look at rationalizing for part 2. Okay, so make sure, yeah, that you're happy with like example 4, like rationalizing difference of 2 squares. Okay, so we will come on to that again actually. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, guys. Yeah, and please do subscribe and like my videos and continue to watch them. Okay, so more videos will come out tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.